Are you a candidate for JAMB, WAEC or NECO? In this video, we'll be solving these three case sets using a fast and easy method. So, we will be reading out the question. In a group of 36 children in a party, their preference for Coke, Fanta and Sprite were as follows. 16 liked Fanta, 18 liked Coke and 17 liked Sprite. If 9 liked Fanta and Coke, 7 liked Fanta and Sprite, 8 liked Coke and Sprite, and 4 liked none of the drinks. How many children like 3 of the drinks? So for us to solve these questions, we'll be listing out the parameters. So we'll start with the universal set. Universal set is 36, which is the number of children. So number of children that like Fanta is 16, so we can represent it as number of F16. Number of children that like Coke, 18, C. Then for number of Sprite is 17. So then if 9 like Fanta and Coke, so 9 like Fanta and Coke, which is Fanta intersection Coke, F intersection C is 9. Then 7 like Fanta and Sprite, number of Fanta intersection Sprite is 7. Then 8 like Coke and Sprite, 8 like Coke and Sprite, Coke intersection Sprite. So Coke intersection Sprite is equal to 8. Then 4 like none of the drinks. That means 4 like none of them, which is the prime union of everything, which is number of F union C union S in prime equal 4. So we are asked to find how many children like 3 of the drinks. That means the intersection of the 3 of the drinks. So number of F intersection C intersection S. That is what we're asked to find. So we'll be using this fast formula. There are two methods to solve this, which is using Venn diagram or using formula. So the fast and easy method to solve this question is by formula, which is number of intersection equal to number of F plus number of C plus number of S minus number of F intersection C minus number of F intersection S minus number of C intersection S plus number of F intersection C intersection S plus number of F union C union S all in prime. So that is the formula to solve this question. So we'll be imputing our universal is 36, number of F is 16, number of C is 18 plus number of S is 17 minus number of F intersection C 9 minus number of F intersection S 7 minus number of C intersection S, which is 8, plus number of F intersection C intersection S, we don't need, so you can write this as plus X. Then number of F union C union S, which is this, plus 4. So we can sum them now. So 36 will be equal to 16 plus 18 plus 17 will give you 51. Minus 9 minus 17 minus 8 will give you minus 24. You can bring out the 4, then plus X. 51 minus 24 plus 4 is 31. So we have 36 equal 31 plus X. We can make X subject, which X will be equal to 36 minus 31, and X is equal to 5. So we have solved this question. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I beg, make una like and subscribe to this channel, so that I'm going to encourage me create more videos like this. Thank you.